Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. So I wanted to give you a quick update on FX Master Gold and how it's working well for me. Okay. All right. So just to recap, I did a review on this just the other day, but to give you a quick recap is basically a PAM managed Forex account system. So basically you deposit money and the company trades and the trades copy over to your Forex account. So they target 15% a week and there's a 20% profit split at the end of the week. So let's say that they've made you $100, you keep $80 and the company gets $20 of that. They're a group of 4 traders who manually trade. So they're not using bots or anything like that. They're actively trading and monitoring the markets. So it's automatic copy trading, 15% target weekly. Minimum deposit is $300 and the 20% is automatically deducted at the end of the week. Okay. And there's about 2 to 8 daily gold trades. Very low drawdown, less than 5%. 1 to R risk to reward is typically what they target per trade. But let me just show you my Myfxbook so you can see the results for yourself. So in total gain, I'm up 35.58%. I started December 26th, but my first day of trading, of them trading my account, was December 27th. Okay, so it's been about 14 trading days, and my total profit has been $1,343. Again, these are my results. Okay, and this is not financial advice. This is simply what I'm doing to make money, to make passive money. Because I don't have to do anything. Once I set the account up, I don't have to do anything at all. So today so far they have done 1.46%. So very nice in terms of the profits. And I'll show you my MT4 account so you can see like some of the trades. So you can see here, $78 there, $51 there, $39 there, $9 there, and there are some losing trades, right? So minus $12 there, but typically since I began, every day has been a winning day. Minus $12 there, well, they're almost $13, minus $32 there, then $64 plus 43, 34, minus 21, 37, 21, 11, 64, 48, 31, and then the profit sharing. So that's the profit sharing over there. And this is my withdrawal. I took out $100 just to make sure withdrawals are working, and it came out smoothly. I got the money into my crypto wallet. $44 plus there, 28, 36, 41, 40, and so on and so forth. And today, let me see how many trades were there today. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 trades today. $44. That was a winner. $26 was a winner. $15 was a winner. And then one losing trade of $6.69. So very low drawdowns. In terms of the losing trades, they keep it very low. So that's what I like about this particular opportunity. So FX Master Gold, so far it's been working really great for me. And I'll go ahead now and I'll show you how to set everything up for those of you that are looking to get started. Oh, and they also do have a Telegram group as well, which you can join, and I'll leave the link in the description where they post up updates and stuff like that. And you can see here the 4 trades today. You can see whoever this is, their account is much bigger. So $508, $319, $14, and $82 for a total of $679 profit for the day, which is pretty sweet. So what do we offer? Gold trading, automatic copy trading, 4 experienced gold traders plus 15 years of experience, and 20% profit split. All right, so let me go ahead and show you how to get started. So I do have my link here below this video. So you can click on it and it'll bring you here. Okay, so when you click on that link, it'll bring you to the registration page of Absolute Markets, and you can just put in your name. I'll just create an example here. Test email. All right, let me just go ahead and put my email in. And then here you can just make up a full number here. Put in your password. And then your partner code, make sure that it's my code here, okay, if you're registering through me, okay. And then I'm just gonna click on register. Okay. So now this page that it brings you to, you need to basically verify your account. So you're going to click on this blue button over here to verify your account. Okay, so now it's going to ask you some information. Here's what you're gonna do. So tax residence, you're going to put the country that you're a tax resident of, birthday, and I'll just use something here. Let's see, let's say, select something there. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Nationality, Canadian, and address, I'm just gonna put an address here. Okay. Oh, here we go. Canada, Ontario, city, let's do Toronto, and the address, I'm just gonna do net capital, I'll just put that. Annual income, monthly financial commitments, say less than 20%. You can just put less than 20%, it's fine. Financial commitments, like you know, things that you need to pay for, like maybe car insurance and stuff like that, right? So I'll just put less than 20%. Approximate volume of investments per year. So approximate value of investments, I'll just put 50,000. Purpose, investment. Type of activity, self-employed. Source of funds, income, investments. I'll just say investments. Nature of the business, I'll just put IT. Let's see. Yeah, I'll just put IT. Level of education, university for me. You can put what it is for you, okay? And I'll just put Forex for this one. Frequency of transactions, daily, training received, course. Average volume of transaction per year, I'll put 10 to 50. And years of experience, I'll just put 1 to 5. But even if you put even if you put less than 1 year, it's still fine, guys. Like, you can just, you know, put what I'm putting here. That's fine as well, okay? So that's for the personal profile. Then you also have to go into documents, okay? And then you have to put in your proof of residential address. So it could be a hydro bill, it could be a bank statement, whatever you use to validate your address, that you actually live at the address you're saying you live at. You need to upload the document, a picture of that document here. And then proof of identification, you can use your passport, you can use your driver's license. For me, I use my driver's license, okay? So you have to do the documents, okay? And then do the personal profile, and then click submit for verification. Okay, that's one key thing that I forgot to say. So there's step 1 and step 2. So you do step 1 first, then do step 2, and then click submit for verification. Okay, all right. So now once that's done, you should receive an email from them, and you also get it in the notifications here. So I'll show you what that looks like. So that's what I mean right here, right? If you look here, it says your account has been verified. So once your account is verified, you're going to receive this little notification here. And you should also receive and this is the email that they're going to send you, an example of the email they'll send you once your account has been verified. Okay, so once your account has been verified, the next step that you'd want to do is create your account. And the way that you're going to do this is you're gonna go over here to accounts. So you click on accounts. Okay, and then you're going to click on create a real account. Okay, so now the minimum for FX Master Gold is $300, but they recommend $600 or more dollars. Okay, but if you don't have $600 to do this deal with, then you can just do it with $300, okay, if that's all that you can afford to do, okay? But the more, the better, okay? All right, so if it's under $500 that you plan to deposit, then open a variable account, okay? Select this option. But if it's more $500 or more that you plan to get started with, then open an ECN account. So you're gonna click on ECN account, okay? And then it's going to ask for currency. So you're going to select, the currency of your choice. If you live in the UK, you could use the pound. If you live, or you could use the US dollar. For leverage, you're going to select 1 to 1,000, okay? And then you're going to click create account. Okay, so once that account has been created, the next step that you need to do is to make a deposit. So go ahead and click deposit. I selected the ECN, so I need to deposit 500 or greater. Okay, so I'll click on confirm, specify the amount, ECN account amount, just put 500, currency USD, continue. Okay, so it says you will get 500 USD. Okay, so that's fine. I always like to send like at least $1 or $2 more, so that I make sure that I'm getting, because sometimes there are transaction fees. So I send like maybe $502, and that $2 will cover any transaction fees, right? So now it says it's waiting for the money. Okay, so I'm gonna click on continue. And it takes me to now payments, which handles, their payments then processing. Okay. So there are a couple different options I can use. There's Bitcoin, Ethereum, there's USDT, TRC20, and there's other ones as well. Okay, so if you want to use Bitcoin, you could you click this. If you want to use USDT, TRC20, you could click this, and then you just click proceed to payment. Okay. Okay, there we go. And on the previous step, what I didn't fill in is you could put in your email address so that you get a notification when the payment is completed. So you could have done that on the previous step, but it's fine if you didn't. Okay. All right. So here you're going to copy the address and then you will send the payment over to Absolute Markets. All right. So I've already deposited, so I don't need to go through that step again, but this is how your deposit is going to show up in your backend account. It'll show up right under live accounts, just like you're seeing my balance show up. Your deposit is going to show up right there, just like that. So give it like, 30 minutes to an hour for your deposit to get sent in. And sometimes it may take a little bit longer. So don't panic or whatever if you don't see it reflect right away. It is going through the blockchain, so you have to let it do its thing. Okay. But yeah, once your deposit shows up here on the back end, then the next step that you're going to need to do is to email Absolute Markets to connect you over to the FX Master Gold. And this is the exact email that you can use. Okay, so let me switch over to my Gmail account so that you can see the email. So once you have your deposit here, show up here, this is the next step. You go over to your email and you're going to send an email to technical@absolutemarkets.com. Okay, so technical@absolutemarkets.com. And I'm going to put this information in the description of this video so that you have it, guys, so you don't have to memorize it. Okay. All right. So the subject line, you can just put FX Master Gold PAM, connect. All right. And then in the description, you just put, please link my MT4 accounts number to the FX Master Gold trading strategy, 20% profit sharing weekly, lot size by equity. So you copy this email from the description of this video and you just paste it right in there. Okay. Or you can type it exactly as you see it, but you can just copy it. I think that's easier. Okay. So once you have this written exactly like this, you're sending it to technical@absolutemarkets.com. You just push send. Okay. So now I've already done this And I can even show you like their reply. And you can see their reply right here. They said, hello, we confirm that your account was linked to the FX Master Gold trading strategy. Okay, so from this point, that's when I know that I have successfully linked my account to be traded, so that any trades that they take copies over into my account. So this is exactly what you need to do. So once they reply that this step has been done, then you know that you have completed the steps to link your account. Okay, so now the next step is optional. If you want to kind of track like the percentage of your growth of your account balance, I'm gonna show you how to link it to Myfxbook. But again, this step is optional, right? Because you can always just log into Absolute Markets and check what profits you have made on top of your money over here, right? Because whatever you see your balance increase to is the profit that you have made. So you can either look at the dashboard, or another thing you can do if you want to set it up like I have it for Myfxbook, so you can kind of see it in more detailed format like this. You can see the percentage of your account growth. Then let me go ahead and show you how to do that. Okay, so first thing you need to do is you need to register for Myfxbook. Again, the link is in the description of this video. Okay, but let me sign out so you can see what that looks like. So this is Myfxbook. This basically, it's like a journal of your Forex trades. Okay, so it allows you to monitor your Forex trades and how your trades are doing day by day, week by week, month by month. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to click on sign up, and then you want to sign up. Okay, so you can go ahead and fill in all the information there to sign up. So I've already done this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sign in. Continue to Myfxbook. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is, once you're logged in, so I'm assuming that you have signed up. Now you're logged in. Under portfolio, you're gonna click add account. Okay, and then you're going to click here, add account, this orange button over here. Okay, and then what you're going to do is platform. You're going to select MetaTrader 4 auto update. So this one right here, MetaTrader 4 auto update. And then it's gonna ask you to plug in details. So some of this detail you're gonna need to get from your email. Okay, so the email that you're gonna need from Absolute Markets is going to have the subject line Absolute Markets new account created. And it's going to contain your login ID, which is a series of numbers. And it'll be the same numbers that you see when you log into Absolute Markets under the account, the live accounts part. And then you also have the password as well as the server. Okay, and at this time that server is Absolute Markets -server. So that's what I'm gonna plug in to Myfxbook. The name, FX Master Gold. I can give it any name I want. Broker is where I type in Absolute Markets, the one with the S, Absolute Markets. And then the server, I pick Absolute Markets -server. And then the account number, I go ahead and paste that in. So I paste in the account number and the password. And then I have now plugged in all the information that I need to plug in here. Okay, so I've clicked on create account, and now it's saying connecting to your account. So I'm just waiting for that to complete. There we go. It says new system added. System FX Master Gold has been added successfully. Now I'm just gonna click on take me to my account. There we go. Boom, right there. So you can see that I have deleted and re-added it, and here's just to show you guys how to add it to Myfxbook, so you can see the results here. So on the left hand side you can see your percentage growth. Okay, so far you can see the drawdown, you can see the balance, you can see your equity is different if there's any open trades. Otherwise equity and balance, it will be the same number. You can see the highest growth on the account. So at one point it was $5,048 before the profit split, okay, of 20%, okay. And then the total, like the total profit on your account before the profit split, okay. So you have to keep in mind the profit split. So the deposits here, that I have made on my account and withdrawals that have been made on my account. So $100 was me, and then 200 was the profit split. Okay. All right, so that's pretty much it. And you can see week by week as well. You can see that breakdown where how much you have made for the week, how much you have made for the month. So, you know, all that breakdown, you can, and even more breakdown, it goes into even more breakdown here where you can see like the profitability and stuff like that. And a graphical bar graph of, you know, the percentage made for that particular month. So 2022 I guess would be December's profit over here, and 2023 will be anything on in 2023. So I went into a lot of detail in the video to just show you how to do everything. So I mean, setting up my Myfxbook is really up to you if you want to set it up, but that's exactly how to do it, guys. So yeah, FX Master Gold is kicking butt, taking names. So guys, if you want to get started, you can go ahead and get started. My link is below in this video, in the description of the video. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on Telegram. And as always, God bless. Have a great day. Bye.